Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. So today we will do the back exercise of chapter number 6, that is our food and health. So here is the back exercise of chapter number 6 on page number 39. So first of all, you have to put the date on this page, that is 28-4-2021. And the first question is, put a tick for true and a cross for false. Give a reason for your answer. So A is, proteins help us to grow by making new cells. So the statement is true, because we know that proteins are very essential for making up the new cells, and new cells help us to grow. B is, fats give quick energy. So the statement is false, because we know that fats can store the energy inside our body, but the quick source of energy are not fats, they are basically the carbohydrates. So we write here carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are quick source of energy. Carbohydrates are quick source of energy. So C is, vitamins and minerals are required in small quantities. So their statement is true. The minerals and vitamins are the nutrients that are present in our food. They are basically required in small amounts, in milligrams, but their deficiency can cause serious diseases. So D is, overcooking destroys several nutrients. So the statement is true. We should cook the vegetables for normal duration of time, because overcooking increases the taste but it decreases the nutrients that are present in the food. So E is, the more rest you give to your muscles, the healthier they become. So this statement is false, because we know that when we do exercise, so our muscles become strong and healthy, nor when we rest. So we write here the reason that exercise makes the muscles strong and healthy. Next, F is, deficiency diseases are infectious. Infectious are the diseases that are contagious, and they can travel from one person to another person. If the diseased person come in contact to the healthy person, then the healthy person will also affect with that disease. Okay, but the deficiency diseases are the diseases that are caused due to the deficiency of some material or substance into your body. So this statement is false. So we can write here the reason that deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of nutrient. So these are non-infection diseases. Next is G. You can get diarrhea by breathing in air full of diarrhea germs. So the statement is false. It is not only the air that relates the disease, that is the diarrhea, but the diarrhea germs are present in the food and water. contaminated food and water. So we can write here that diarrhea germs are present in contaminated food and water. And the last H is chlorine is added to water in a swimming pool to kill germs. So the statement is true, because chlorine is a very powerful agent that is used against different kind of germs. So swimming pool is the one place where chlorine is added to kill the germs and to purify the water. So next question is, name these. So A is 2 things you need to take in besides the 5 nutrients to remain healthy. You know that there are 5 nutrients, that are the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins. These are the 5 essential nutrients, but along with these 5 essential nutrients you have to need water and roughage. Roughage are the fibers that are present in vegetables. So these both are also required to keep the body healthy. B is a diet containing all nutrients in right quantities. Such diet is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet. C is substances that can be added to food to prevent it from getting spoiled. So such substances that are added in food so that the food can made usable for a large duration of time. These are called the preservatives. Preservatives are added to the food so that their shelf life can be increased without damaging their nutrients. So D is diseases caused by lack of certain nutrients in diet. They are called the deficiency diseases. So deficiency diseases are the type of diseases that are caused due to lack of some kind of nutrients that are essential for our body. And E is deficiency of this mineral in the diet causes anemia. So anemia is the disease of blood. So the deficiency of the mineral that is named as iron is the major cause of anemia, that is the blood loss. So F is a bad habit, which is a major cause of heart diseases. The major of the heart diseases are caused due to the smoking, and that is very dangerous for health. So the answer is smoking. G is insects that spread malaria. So we know that malaria is spread due to the mosquito, and mosquito is a kind of an insect. H is a chemical that is used to kill insects. So the chemical which are used to kill the different kind of insects, they are called the insecticides. They are called the insecticides. And I is drugs that can kill bacteria in the blood. So such type of drugs that are used to killing the bacteria which are present in the blood, they are called the antibiotics. Now our next question is name the main nutrients your body needs to remain healthy. So here we write number 1 is carbohydrates, that are the quick source of energy in our body. Second is the proteins, and proteins are very helpful to make new cells that are involved in our growth process. Third one are the fats. Fats are basically stored form of energy, and whenever there is lack of food, so these fats can give us the energy. The fourth one are the minerals, and fifth one are the vitamins. Minerals and vitamins are also the essential nutrients that should be present in our diet. Also, they are required in milligrams, that is the very small quantity, but their deficiency can cause serious diseases. So that's why both of these included into the main nutrients, although they are required in very small quantities. Question number 4 is match the food with the nutrients it is rich in. Okay, next you have proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. And the second column contains bread, fresh fruits and vegetables and pulses. So proteins that are present in pulses. So match the proteins with the pulses. Carbohydrates are majorly present in the bread. Vitamins and minerals are present in the fresh fruits and vegetables, so you have to draw a line between these two. Next is, what are the advantages of regular exercise? So number 1 is, it makes our muscles healthy and strong. It makes our muscles healthy and strong. And the second one is, it increases our stamina. So if you do regular exercise, your stamina is increased and you less tired of. Next, last one is 6. Match the deficiency with the food you would eat to get better. So you have to, here you have one column of different type of diseases such as anemia, goiter, scurvy, night blindness. And in the second column you contain the minerals or the food from which you can cover up the deficiency of the minerals that are present or absent in these diseases. So first one is the iodized salt, second is orange lemon, spinach and carrot. So for the anemia you have to eat the spinach. For goiter you have to utilize the iodized salt. For the scurvy, lemon and orange are the best. And night blindness you have to use the carrot. So this was all about the today's lecture. Thanks for watching.